small Michael's haul. The first thing is stickers, which I didn't need any more of, but they were so freaking cute and I just wanted to buy some more stickers. So I got the floral ones, which I think I also have the cardstock 12 by 12 of this as well, which I absolutely love. So happy about these. The flowers are so pretty. They're on clear paper and white paper. You can write in some areas, you know, when you're doing your journaling. I'm gonna go through this really fast because I have another one to show you as well. Some boxes. I really love that green. Okay, and this one is really pretty. I like the gold. You can write in the middle of it, just so cute. White flowers, your little quotes there, and your stems. Everything is really freaking cute in here. The next one that I got is Southern Blues. Southern Blues. Goodness gracious, I can relate to that one. So it says goodness gracious on that one. We got peaches. Some clear, this one's on clear with the quotes. Some drinks. My word, that's what it says, y'all. More peaches. Flowers. This is just so cute. I really love this. Hey y'all, hey y'all. Some like cute little washi down there. Darling. Goodness gracious. Is that a double? Yeah, that's a double one. This one's on clear, collect memories. So you can like use this for if you're scrapbooking because they're like really big. Or if you're memory planning. This is so cute. And you got your little girls right here. Little fangirls. Little Southern Bells. This one's on clear as well. You got your letters. I love having me some letters because I have horrible handwriting. So these will always, always, always come in handy for me. They look like that. They will always come in handy for me because I have horrible handwriting. The next thing that I got is just the Southern Belle cardstock. And I said I may do my June monthly spread out of cardstock if my June stickers don't come that I purchase. If my sticker kit doesn't come, you guys can look forward to me doing a June, that's really pretty, a June spread, monthly spread with some cardstock. I don't know if it'll be this one in particular, but that is the reason why I got this. But I love cardstock so much that I have so much cardstock in my stash that I may end up using a different one. And then I love pink so much. I could not pass this up. I saw this. Let me take the plastic off so you can see. So it's just this pink cardstock, which is really cute. And they just have these bows on them. I don't know if you can see them, but they have these cute little bows on them in gold, and the paper is like a pink matte color. Really love this. So cute. And then I also got another one. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's just some gold floral on it, and it's also the pink matte paper cardstock. And then when I said I didn't know if I was gonna do my June spread and that or not, is because I did buy some more cardstock that was more like summery, because I saw this one. It's like water. It's like the pool theme, or like, you know, water scene. So I said this one may be a better option to use for June. So I grabbed that, and then I also grabbed this watercolor cherry blossom. I don't know if I'm gonna use this. I might just use this for scrapbooking. So it looks like this. Super cute. I love the pink florals in it. The pink cherry blossoms. So I love that. And I also saw these blue pineapples on cardstock. Not blue pineapples, but I saw gold pineapples on blue cardstock, or it's like a teal color. Also Recollection. I love the Recollection paper. Like, they have so many like options that you can choose from. So this is what it looks like, and it just has little like pineapples on it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm trying to do my best to show you. It's like little pineapples, and yes, it's the 12 by 12 cardstock. So that is what that looks like. It is foiled as well, and it has teal. It has teal in it, in like a dark blue foil. Looks like that. So cute. And I picked up some more letters. The black sparkly font. It's more, it has like shimmers in it. It looks like, and I got some little extras down here, the @ hashtags, numbers. Okay, so this is the other one that I got. It is in black, and it's like, I don't know, it's like thin words. So I really like it. The words are really thin, and it's like your handwriting. So yeah. So I picked this one up as well in gold. It's a larger one for my monthly spreads. And here is a size comparison. This is where I store all of my scraps in loose cardstock. It's a 12 by 12 container that I got from Michael's. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please stop by for more videos. Bye.